In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build AI agents in N8n. Let's dive right in and get started. To begin, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to the official N8n website. This is where all the magic happens, so make sure you're at the right place. Once you're on the website, look for the sign-in option. You'll need to log in to continue with the process of building your AI agent. If you don't have an account yet, this is a great time to create one. It's straightforward and just requires a few clicks. Once you're signed in, let's move on to defining what will start your AI agent's actions. You're going to need to think about how you want your agent to get to work. This could be through different triggers like a chat message, a webhook, a scheduled event, or even something as simple as a manual action you initiate yourself. Your choice here will largely depend on the needs of your workflow. With your trigger figured out, the next step is to link this chosen trigger node to the AI agent node. This connection is crucial as it essentially tells your AI when to spring into action. Now consider where you want to store your data. You'll need to specify a backup location. This could be a local folder on your computer, a Google Drive folder, or any other storage solution you're comfortable using. Selecting the right backup location ensures you have all your important data accessible and secure. Next, you have the option to enable memory for your AI agent. Enabling this feature allows your agent to retain context from previous interactions. It's incredibly useful if you want your agent to create more engaging and coherent conversations by remembering past actions or user inputs. You'll then want to think about what external tools your agent might need to perform its tasks effectively. This could include access to web search functions, databases, or other APIs. By giving your agent access to these tools, it can gather the information it needs to perform specific tasks or respond to queries more intelligently. Decide how your agent will receive input. Will it be directly from the trigger, through a form, or some other method? Your choice here will dictate how the initial data gets to your agent and how it starts interacting. Finally, determine how the agent's responses will be handled. Do you want your responses displayed right in a chat interface, sent out via email, or maybe even in some other format? Determining this aspect ensures that the output of your AI agent's processes reaches the intended audience. And that's it. By following these steps, you've built an AI agent within N8n that suits your specific needs. Keep experimenting with different settings and tools to see what best fits your workflow. Thanks for watching, and happy building.